3 months ago I brought you the first film in this series, which is linked above. In today's film we see what the current status is in June 2026. The car park is approaching completion. Recent work includes tarmac surfacing, tree planting, fencing and gate installation. Work is ongoing today on paving at the front of the building and final decoration works. In the next week it is anticipated that benches will be installed and white lining of the car park bays. The copper-coloured front facade has caused some adverse comment, but I personally like it. When the last film was issued, the shops in the precinct had all been closed, and I may be wrong, but I thought demolition of the Longfield buildings was expected to have started by now. There is no sign of this happening. Fairfax Road remains closed during the week, as you can see here. It seems like the whole project is behind schedule. One key issue is the pricing of parking here, which has not been revealed, but the two car parks which this has replaced were both free for unlimited time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to see more of these videos.